This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Kate is installed and a file is available. Open the editor now. Once open, load the file with File Open or simply drag it in, because that places you directly into editing. Enable line numbers and syntax highlighting so you can see structure and errors immediately. Make sure Soft Wrap is set if you prefer readable paragraphs. These first steps put you into a productive state quickly and reduce interruptions as you continue editing. You now optimize your workflow inside Kate. Split the view to work on 2 files side by side and save a session to restore that layout later. Use code folding to collapse blocks and auto indent to keep formatting consistent while you type. When you need to change many occurrences, use search and replace with regular expressions. It saves time and prevents mistakes. Customize keyboard shortcuts in settings so repetitive actions become muscle memory. Once done, you finish by running or exporting your work. Use the Build or Run plugin, or configure an external tool to compile or preview the output, because that verifies your edits. Save frequently and enable document recovery to protect against crashes. When closing, check unsaved tabs to avoid losing changes. If something breaks, plugins malfunction or layouts disappear, restart Kate, then selectively reset the configuration or disable offending plugins. A full reset is last resort. This troubleshooting tip gets you back to productive editing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.